once again I have found one thing. And once again I have found one thing. Feel like I've played this before. Resentment playing desire, but I can't understand why we love playing with fire. Pull me closer towards you and say you don't feel enough, or at least just let me go, 'cause I've had enough. And once again I've found one thing. And once again I've found one thing. I've played this before. The wound just hasn't scarred. Oh, I don't know how this ends, if it never starts. I don't know how to read you. Now I feel emptier still, and I just need to let you go. But I don't think I will. 'Cause once again I found one thing. 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 Feel like I've played this before. Resentment playing desire, but I can't understand why we love playing with fire.
Nice to meet you. I've waited for so long to find someone I could count on till the end. I've searched for ages, so I've seen so many faces, but until yours I just had to play pretend. Don't you understand? You are such a ray of sunshine when I see you. Never wanna look away, and the vision's so much clearer when you started walking near me. And I smile and I ask if you'd like to stay a while. You're perfect, oh the way it was worth it. I couldn't ask for a better man.
dala sa aming mukha. Napalaki ka namin mabait at magandang bata kasi nagmana ka sa akin. Walang kontra. Jewel, kahit na ikaw ay bunso, di ka naman umabuso. Kahit nasusunod ang iyong gusto, di naman spoiled ang batang ito. Mapagmahal na anak pa nga, umalambing sa ama. Alalay at bodyguard pa kung tutungo ang ama sa Pampanga. Siya ang aking karelyebo, sa ama siya ang nag-aasikaso. Lalo na kung nagkakasakit ito, si Jewel ang nag-aalaga dito. Wala kaming hinangat kundi iyong magandang kinabukasan. Ito ang aming kaligayahan. Makita kayong nasa maayos na kalagayan. Fulfilled na kami iyong mga magulang. Itong simpleng handaan, naway di mo malilimutan. Minsan lang sa buhay ito, daraan at mararanasan. Kaya tunay na pinaghandaan at pinag-ipunan. Ramdam namin ang iyong kasiyahan. Nagkayat ka ba niyan? Kaya bongga ang kinalabasan. Diyos ang Diyosa sa kagandahan. Kanino pa ba naman magmamahal? Sa kumaya ng ulan.
Highly struck the sky. You said it was a little trail with no
Tapos sa aming apat, siya talaga, kapag sinabi niya kay Ivan, siya talaga yung maasahan. Kasi kung wala kapag gamitan ko may kailangan, sa kanya agad yung bumi, nagtulong pa sa napakabait niya kasi kapatid.
wish could be right.
Oo,
Patterns of light set the
ayun, sana maging pagkatingan. Magpatuloy yung pag-ibang tao, pag-aaral ng mabuti para katulad namin.
stay as you are, and may your face.
Wish ko para sa'yo is, yan, matupad natin yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Ate We, ikaw yung ate sa buong block natin. And I know it's not your responsibility, but pero pinili mo na maging ate sa amin kasi, mahal mo kami, no? Kasi mahal mo kami and lagi mo kami inaalagaan and turing mo talaga sa amin is tunay na kapatid. I love you, Tewe. Salamat sa loob pala, Tewe.
Hi, Jezebel. Siyempre, sobrang bait mo, masipag. You deserve all the best things in life. So, yun, good health, Godspeed, love you, and luck sa career mo. Alam ko marami ka pang mapapadaya. Thank you for being such a good friend. Just continue to be a loving friend and a loving daughter. And I know you deserve all the success and happiness in life. And sabi ko lang tatandaan na nandito na kami mga kaibigan mo for you. And happy birthday.
Thank you sa lahat ng bagay na yun. Lalo na nung sa bahay mo, parang inaakupan mo na kami doon, parang nakakapanin mo, lagi mo kami pinapakain doon, parang welcome na welcome kami doon. And thank you sa lahat ng pakikinig mo lang sa mga problema ko, and yung pag-rant natin about sa tuwid na si Pat, alam mo naman na yun. And ayun, thank you sa lahat-lahat. Ayun, so, basta, lagi lang kami nandito para sa'yo, kahit hindi ka nakainom ng rock, maganda ka mga, lagi lang kami nandito. And, ayun, sabay tayo magiging CPA and lahat ng wish mo sa buhay ay sana matupad. So, thank you. Glad that we stayed best friends from this final until now. I'm going strong, and I think that sana lahat ng wish mo sa life matupad and always pray and yun mo lang yung presence nila. And thank you kasi lagi nila dito para sa akin. And always remember that you will always be my forever. Happy birthday! It will always be you who knows how exactly I feel, how I felt, and how I will. It is you who knows how badly I want things to happen, how I had a hard time giving up things that were for me. And it is you who knows that everything is what I could ever do. I always wanted to be a singer or a painter, but never really, but still you believe that I have potential for becoming. It is you who brightens up my day, brings out the best in me, guides me, and it is you who made me feel valued, even if I wasn't best at it. It is you who gave me so much happiness, guidance, love, and care. We were like yin yang, we balanced each other, and together we make the world go round. So thick and thin, I will always be here for you, as you will always be there for me. Because at the end of the day, I know you will always be the friend who never makes time to carry me. So happy eating.
We'll be back one day with you a little more gray. I leave one.
Achievements that will make you success in the future. Pray good, and so it will bring good fortune in the future.
Yan ay isang ilawan na tataglaw sa iyong pag-aaral pagka gabing madilim. Hindi lang ang mama mo yung Filipino leader, pati ako Filipino leader. Sana maalala mo tuwing nag-aaral ka ng leksyon, pagkagabi, bubuksan mo yan at maaalala mo ang kita sa ulo mo. Happy birthday, Jewel! More blessing! Pagputihin mo yung pag-aaral mo, someday magiging CPA ka rin, katulad ng ate mo.
Sakit mong role na tinutulugan ng napakadami kaklase and friends. Then, sabi kasi ni Colleen, mahilig ka sa bracelet, sa mga tikay-tikay. So, aside from bracelet, yung gift of sa
based dun sa nakikita din namin. Lumaki ka siguro na maganda yung pagpapalaki ng parents mo talaga. So, nagre-reflect sa iyo lahat yun. And sabi din ni Colleen, that's din yung favorite ko. Happy birthday!
Pagdating ng panahon na naging successful ka, pupuri ka kalimutan ng mga tao tumulong sa'yo, lalong-lalo na yung magulang mo lagi ngayon. So, hindi ako prepared. Itong red na to symbolize love. Maliit na bagay ko, pero kung marunong ka sa buhay, pwede ko ito. Happy birthday at saka we love you maraming ko pinagmamahal sa'yo.
Bakit watch yung binigay namin ng kuya mo? Kasi I know and we all know na time will come, someday iisipin ganun. And then, kung gusto mong ipatulong mag-apply sa mga companies, huwag kang mahiya na pinaka. Okay. So, happy birthday. God bless.
On this moment, you're like a shining star that shines the brightest. Happy 18th birthday ulit. Hope you will be able to achieve all your dreams. As in, to comfort you.
Gusto ko kasi talaga yung natatanggap ko from you is the best. You're the best ka pa. Happy birthday.
Sabi ni Ruby kanina, si Jigal daw ang pinakabibait. Sa totoong-totoo yan. Kasi, siguro, dalaga pa ako. Lagi kasi kami nakatambay sa bahay nila. Parang nakalakihan ko lang sila. Parang pagkasilang niya. And then, mga 1 week yun na wala silang kasama. Si Ate Lloyd na nagkasakit. So, naiwan sa akin si Dewey. Hindi niya pa alam yun kasi mga 3 years old. Pag-gising niya ng umaga, ulan yan. Papakainin ko, papaliguan ko. Kahit ano, na hindi siya mainip, pero hindi siya mainip talaga. And then, lalabas ako, bibili ko ng gamot si Ate Lloyda. Pagbalik ko, gibandan ko lang ako maalis. Kung ano yung sinabi kong gagawin niya, bigla siya. So, napatunayan ko talaga na sa kanilang lahat, magtampo yung iba, pero talagang may, kumbaga may, siya talaga na gusto ko talaga, mahal ko siya sa lahat ng mga anak niya. Kasi, napakabait niyang bata at nag-iisip nga ako kanina, parang 3 years old siya, nagkaroon ako ng time na makasama ko siya, at kahit kumbaga pag nakikita ko napakalambing, so ang wish ko lang, lagi ko sinasabi niya, pag si Dewey kaya magiging successful, lagi ko sinasabi, siya ang pinaka-successful sa lahat, siya ang yayaman sa lahat. So, good luck and God bless you.
So, given tagamin mo itong aming regalo na symbolize yan na lahat ng chart, lahat ng mga lucky, mga good memories ng Pandora niyan ay ano ba yung gusto mo eh? So, hindi, naanak ko. So yung Pandora niyan ay sumasali sa mga pagmamahal namin ni Mina mo. Sana treasure mo yan. So lahat yan ng mga good memories, lahat ng mga yung mga sasabi natin na pagulad sa buhay, dyan mo lalagay.